Welcome to Smart Panther. We are your one-stop solution provider partner for woodworking machines and tools. Here is our tools factory, including TCT circular saw blades, PCD saw blades, HSS saw blades, cold saw blades, PCD cutters. Customized orders are available. How to ensure a stable quality for our customers. We control quality since the beginning. We have our own laser cutting and heating workshop. Laser cutting give us a perfectly shaped blade body with a smooth edge. And with heat treatment, we can ensure the saw blade body with more flatness, hardness, toughness. Our factory have 15 years rich experiences in saw blades production. We upgraded our machines with automatic type. Production capacity and processing quality have been improved a lot. Many of our customers are headache of the overheating issue, scraper loosing and tooth breaking at the base. What problems you are facing? Talk with us, and we will give you professional solution. Except industrial saw blades, we also have production line for hand saw blades for different functions like wood cutting, aluminum cutting, metal cutting, and cordless saw blades for lithium-ion tools. Customers can choose Teflon coating or E-coating.